If you love Kizz, let's go!
I've been searching for you all along. I'll take it slow. Anytime you call my name,
First of all, they thank people because everybody will come here. You are important. Thanks for coming and God bless you. My friends will come from Ghana, the one will come from Abuja, everywhere you know where you come from. Thanks for coming. Go and clap for yourself. It's not easy. Yes, definitely because of my Canadian friends, I think thank you for coming. The problem when I just get for this show now, I know like people now, I'm not tired. I don't know where my mom from Benin Congo goes. And the crowd go to the makeup. And then yeah, but they get my mother. Inside food show, they make up. That is it, 15 make up for market. Please, I beg you, as I take this mic now, as I begin crowd to, many anybody don't want to stop me for backstage. As they plan this show, the problem when I get an artist show, as they plan this show, I do stop begging now. Anything you want to, not let anybody promise you anything. If na marriage, don't let anybody promise you cow. Now that will give you. I plan this show for beer parlor. I don't take beer parlor. Now I'm telling you, don't get it. Do a show. You are available. You know, see, get a kind of advice where they advise you. You will fix it and truth. You go to use your money. They buy the person drink. May they continue. Look at your mate. See that boy? Is it your mate? See because you believe. Do a show. You can do it. People support. We will support you. I can't believe her. When you come make me not believe, I say, don't worry. Is it not just a code? I will give you 11 million. I am not sure. One of these person will give you 11 million. Shoot when you get it, I will take better than people for me. Now that anybody promise you anything on a lie, now lie. And the plan show I got any TV. I got shocked. So Nigerian artists say, now when they use my match to and say the poker. I tell on my own at the plan show. One guy you're coming. He said, hello bro. Do you know me? I said, who are you? He said, you don't know me? I said, who are you talking now? He said, I'm an artist. I said, oh, how are you? He said, no, don't say that. I'm a senior colleague in entertainment. I said, how? Who are you? He said, hey, bros, now me sing that song. I want to go home. I come from Akwa-Ibom. Akwa-Ibom, yeah. If you enter moto, for a credit, they sing the song for my ear. Home, sweet home. I said, okay, what can I do for you? He said, bros, I'm begging. That your show for Lagos. I be one home. Now I said, don't be you talk say you want to go home. You are from Akwa-Ibom. Home sweet home. What do you want to do for Lagos? He said, bros, na song now. Now I said, no, what is song? You will say that whiskey not get home. Why don't they sing say they don't go their home? I said, my brother, back home alone when you look for your home idiot. That one even good. To shock you, on our kids say this show don't fool. I swear, if I lie, all these things will be Bible. Oh, much respect to FIROS for to buy tables for this show. May God bless you. Make camera carry me and me down. Those who have never paid, but I also will pay. Thank you. Father, play the album, play the album. Can't take to continue. Play the album. What do they play on the pass? So, play your task. Nigerians, play your task. No, first time from Benin. Back to play the album. Don't they play, baby. Play. Play the play. But, what are you? FRS. Pay your tax. Please pay your tax as a good citizen. I see you with I went to Abuja for an event. Which event? AYLife. The last Abuja event. I follow my friends go. As a comedian, you need to mingle with people when they will pass you, even if you want to do the same work. So that when you get home, they'll be happy. I say Abuja, now because of my friends when they get money. We don't do it when I finish. They go carry me to Moscow underground. If you know Moscow, if you go there, they go Moscow underground. You will be club. I just never suggest on the level, how much 100,000 now? This one I make money. only cause if you press them well, you pray them well, they get ready to go back to go shopping for airports. Yeah? We don't want someone like that. They are using something they spend money. Because they are getting there. This man tell the people different problem and go talk. We get close. Not even the buy heads of stay. Now, hallelujah. Now, my friends, they buy heads of stay. They buy. Because they don't pay, they don't born, I know they talk. The reason I they spend money. I don't know when I tell you drink, I tell one girl, say, I will give you 45 million. I saw the girl come enter toilet, call Tony Van, he call escort, he call army to guide me go transport. Me don't know. As a parent, escort the person, one, they follow me. I don't say that those escort when they escort money, they go back. As we reach hotel, stop! Where they sleep? Before we say we'll do something. I beg my brother sit down and you do stand at this and you sponsor me show. Oh, okay. Now tell my son to them. You know, see, when two big man. One I hear now, I notice you. And the yellow say, come. And the yellow say, because the studio, I don't know why they don't excuse me, say 40,000. When they excuse me, they go to where they go to no, God knows the 45 million. I don't know. My papa, they are alive. In prayer, they walk for my life. Or there's a old Jamie. Bros, I go down. You know this one they talk. And I hear it. And he said, what? No, you know it for that. I don't say there is that. I got surprised. Where drink for left for my eye. Because I know amount of guests where they carry. And I know the order where they perceive. As the day you put the little flats. Need to be as some people. Now when I say, okay, so you do so. You don't want to say forget. We alcohol, I say. That's the 18-year-old son. Like, how much am I giving you for this service? Like they say, you just told me 25 million. I shot my 18-year-old. When you hear Nigerian guests, the 18-year-old, the guy comes you hold on. They tell you, say, what is going on? Before they tell me, is it POS or cash? Is it the one? He comes and he tell me, why is this thing not standing? I say, the thing they think. He say, thinking about what? I say, your money. The problem when I get with Nigerian musicians, sorry to say, life na innovation. Igbo went to face smoke, take blow. Now black fake smoke, take them on that bridge. That's all I do. Hey, but I dey go for you. My boy wear sheet cloth from Benin. Use sheet cloth enter bus. Take on Lagos. Ọba Benin on this year. This my boy, I took over a very wonderful one. I'm gonna clap for him. Try. Yes. Only now as they are left, so then they follow my shows. The problem is that when we grow, now plan and man when they plan ahead. Uniform when I finish from my one see beside me. Because it is the future. I wish I only for my papa I go like my papa can't see the doing. Now only my papa they cry my students. I'm sure they carry me go to say teacher only go how much for this boy. I say 30,000. He say, you 30,000 for this one be you don't know let me go now more. I said, only one I beg. My power for me. I was always boy for good. My papa won't stick to join. My power never, what they call a power holding. He hold your salary. He doesn't take it. Anywhere my parents and never they show sign. My parents come, there's this light. My body back where there's this light. My mama born our last born. Now mama they tell us now I beg before I come, not let this man enter theater. I don't want born for darkness. Oh. Many of my here they're going up for hospital. Maternity. Me, youngest landlord, my papa for me for chemist. Instead of birth certificate, they give her receipt. Yeah. I wonderful man. Ruling. I got the drive for work from Benin. Police fire say, "Pa pa pa!" You don't catch the idiot. Pa, mumu pa. Now so when I go to do like this, they collect. I look at. He said, "My friend, who are you?" Now me tell the police, I am a professional, international Yahoo boy. He shocked. He will go and go back. He said, "My friend, what's wrong with you?" I'm asking you a question. You are telling me, are you mad? Who are you? You think you want to deceive me? Who are you? I said, now you don't be not fear. Get confident. Now I said, my friend, do you think I'm joking? Are you not proud to be a Nigerian policeman? He said, yes. I just told you my work. Why are you? Without fear. Now you call your friend. What's he going here? I don't also talk over the phone. Call you. He said, tell her what you see in the work. Now get more confident. Now say, my friend, you guys have to advise your colleagues. If they don't know how to address Nigerian citizens, I just told him my work. That one say, yes. Which work, sir? I just told him who I am. That one say, which work? I just told him I'm a professional, international Yahoo boy. That one say, sure. When I listen to the talk, I say, if you guys are doubting it, now I start my pocket, now I carry my phone, now I give police. When policeman open my phone, no type of blue film when they don't see. Now policeman go to say this or your own sweet over. Use Zenda, send them for me, I use your bedroom. That one is good. Nigerian police, there are many ways. Hey, when I let me talk, there are many ways to escape a Nigerian police force. Even when you don't have your driving license or your particulars, there are many ways. They don't know, they will fix everything there with you. Let me tell you about Nigerian police. Once you drive, you know, say, you don't get driving license. You see police, now your fear. Nigerian police or African police or European police, they are psychologists. That they read your mind, then they judge you. Your fear, once you show, they don't know, say, this guy can't say, the guy is big. Once you get that, me, youngest fellow, 5 ways to beat Nigerian police. Once you get that, you don't get driving license. You see police for front, not fear. Off your engine, begin push your motor. They will forget. Your own is. Stop another one. When you might say, officer, after one Nigerian, are you stupid? Your motor, not get AC. You sack police on front. Why not? Very easy. They try to get wrong egg. You know wrong egg? Back of the jail. As they say, pa. They are men, they did it. You're looking into witness. Pa! You're looking. My friend. Pa! You're looking at full sound. Imagine, how can I help you? You say, how do you know me? The Lord of the Lord of Jasa. He goes say, what is going on? How do you know me? Pa, no fear. Calm down. He goes say, where is your driver license, your particulars? Open pitch road, that one driver license, come on, carry your head. Play my heart and cross my place. Oh baby, oh tell me what you say. These are my friends. I the place, I the man, I want again. Everybody, let me hear you say, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body, and feeling in my heart. Oh yeah, baby, come with me, oh yeah, now one more time, say, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul,
got great respect for you, brother. Great respect for you, brother. You get talent, then go build, you go enter, continue, then go build, who know one person? Oh yeah, now it's service. Because there is no take up. Now, the band of the I said, the boy is silencer. This boy is free. Make you silencer.